Jai Hind to everyone. My name is Vasudha, and I've been recommended by our prestigious service selection board three number of times. And I'm here to share my experience because it has been a journey. It has been a long, long journey for me. I have faced it all, and I have gone to the deeper levels of the SSB. And my journey is my journey, guys. Your journey is yours. So you need to explore it more. And here I am to tell my experience that what went good, what went wrong in my SSB journey. But one thing, एक चीज़ जो मैं आप सबको बोलना चाहती हूँ is that it has been an amazing journey. It has been an amazing, ultimate journey for me because I have made hell lot of friends. I have made a good number of friends. Very first SSB से last SSB तक all my friends are in my contact and those are the friends that I have made for my lifetime because SSB के जो friends होते हैं वो हमेशा judgmental friends नहीं होते. They never ever judge you on your past, your present. They never do that. So that is one thing that you always feel for those friends. And yes, it is a personality test for sure, but above all, you need to believe in yourself. Yes, you people over there, you need to believe in yourself. Until and unless आपको नहीं लगेगा अंदर से कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ, you won't be able to do that. Have that spark in yourself. Have that confident body language. It will help you in a longer run. Not just SSB, but आपकी life के हर field में it will help you. So, yes, I belong to a defense background, starting from my great grandfather to my father. All have served into the forces and are serving into the forces. So, I feel really, really proud to be a defense background person because it gives you a pleasure to serve the nation. You see your father, you see your uncles, your aunts dressing up in that uniform that gives you a lot of pride in your own self. So that is something that brings a smile. That is something that gives you a drive. So ये मेरा reason है, and I have a lot of things to tell you guys. You know, SSB में आपको psychology मिलेगा, interview मिलेगा, GTOs मिलेगा. It is all about you. It is all about your personality. Never ever compare yourself to the other person कि वो कैसा कर रहा है और उससे आपके performance पे क्या effect पड़ेगा. Because the assessors are judging your personality. So don't compare yourself. So first point is this, and secondly is this that as per the thumbnail, I have to tell you five mistakes. I would rather say that these are the five mistakes that I still laugh on. अभी भी if I call my SSB friends और हम वो पुरानी memories याद करते हैं, तो it's all about those mistakes that we made in a group. So the very first thing is that we were a group of 7 girls and at 3FSB Gandhinagar and उसमें से 4 लड़कियां recommend हुए थे. And out of that, one thing that I want to share is that in the GTO task itself, so we were not, we were all going to the SSB. We have already went to the SSB a lot of times. So हमें पता था कि 5 दिन का स्टे है, मस्त रहेगा, खाना पीना रहेगा, सोना, टेबल टेनिस, कैरम एंड ऑल, कैंटीन, यस, वो सब रहेगा. तो बीच में बहुत फ्री टाइम होता है. Between your second day, your third day, you have a lot of time. After 12 or 1 p.m., you're already free. You have whole half day. So to do something. So we were 7 friends, as I have told you, and it was the next day was our GTO task, and it was snake race. So believe me, one of my friend, हम सारी लड़कियां साथ में बैठे थे एंड हम बोलते अब क्या करें यार, क्या करें, अपना पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट, हैविंग फन. बट एक वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, शी इज़ स्टिल वेरी क्लोज टू मी एंड शी सेड कि चलो अपना कॉल साइन, जो जीटीओ टास्क में आपका स्नेक रेस में कॉल साइन रहता है, लेट्स गो अबाउट इट, उसको डिसाइड करते हैं कि कल हम क्या बोलेंगे. बिकॉज जीटीओ गिव्स यू एटलीस्ट 1 minute ऑफ टाइम टू टू डिसाइड अपॉन योर कॉल साइन. सो हमने वो पहले एक दिन पहले ही डिसाइड कर लिया था. सो यू विल फाइंड इट वेरी फनी. वी वर 7 people एंड इट वॉज स्नेक रेस. तो अगर आप उसको हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करें तो 7 का हिंदी होता है 7 एंड स्नेक का हिंदी होता है सपोले, सपोले. सो हमने जो अपना कॉल साइन बनाया था एंड इट वाज 7 सपोले सब सब सब. लिटरली गाइस, दिस वाज आवर कॉल साइन एंड हम लिटरली डिसाइड कर रहे थे रूम में बैठ के कि क्या बोले, सात से बोले सब सब बोले, या सात से बोले सब 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 बोले, 3 बारी बोले, 2 बारी बोले सब। सो वी एक्चुअली लाफ ऑन दिस थिंग राइट नाउ ऑल्सो। एंड बिलीव मी, जब नेक्स्ट डे जीटीओ ने बोला कि चलो बताओ व्हाट इज योर कॉल साइन, एंड वी ऑल 7 यू नो गेव इट कॉन्फिडेंटली कि सर हमारा ये कॉल साइन है, सात सब बोले सब सब सब। एंड जीटीओ वाज लाइक ओके। सो जब वो सबकी स्नेक रेस हो रही थी, लाइक सारे ग्रुप्स की स्नेक रेस साथ में होती है, तो एवरी जीटीओ वाज एक्चुअली लाफिंग एट आवर कॉल साइन कि ये क्या रख दिया है। बट बिलीव मी गाइज, वी वर सो मच इनटू आवर स्नेक रेस कि वी वर लाइक कि नहीं, लेट इट बी वॉट एवर द कॉल साइन मे बी, वी लाइक इट, वी अप्रिशिएट इट, वी आर हैविंग फन स्पीकिंग इट, सो वाई नॉट गो हेड विद कॉन्फिडेंस। एंड हर एक स्टेप में हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट किया है, हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे को आगे बढ़ाया है, एंड वी स्पोक आवर कॉल साइन लाइक प्राउडली, लिटरली। लाइक थक गए थे, सांस पे सांस चढ़ी, एंड इट वाज लाइक हाँ सांस हो रही है, एक सांस से बोले हाँ सांस। So like, it was amazing. So this is the first experience. This is not a mistake, I'll rather say it was a fun activity that we did together. And yes, it's all about fun. Go and represent your personality in the best possible way, but yes, please have fun. Please listen to assessors, very very importantly. It's very important for all of you guys. Don't take yourself so seriously, loosen up a bit, because I always believe that it's about पहले जो आप मेहनत कर लेते हो वो आप कर लेते हो। When you go to the SSB, go with the flow, go with the flow of each and every test, because फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक टाइम में मेरा साइकोलॉजी ठीक नहीं हुआ, तो आई वॉन्ट ruin माई इंटरव्यू एंड माई GTOs बिकॉज ऑफ साइकोलॉजी। आई वॉज लाइक, अब दिमाग में ये डाला कि चलो उठो, आज इंटरव्यू है, आज इंटरव्यू अच्छा देंगे, ठीक है। तो पर डे, टेक वन डे एट अ टाइम एंड वन मोमेंट एट अ टाइम, इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट। And the second thing I want to say is, I was giving my command task, and believe me, all the 4 girls that got recommended, हमारे command task 30 to 45 minutes चले हैं। नॉट बिकॉज वो जो फट्टा बल्ली वाला टास्क रहता है उसके पहले जो इंट्रोडक्शन रहता है हमारा, एंड GTOs ने, मतलब GTO सर ने हमें काफ़ी देर तक एनालाइज किया, प्रेशराइज किया। सो दैट वॉज इट, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर वन मोर एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज it will help you. Basically, आपकी tendency to take pressure is also being tested in the SSB. So I am an electronics and communication grad, and इंजीनियरिंग का सही बोलूँ तो कुछ भी याद नहीं था। तो जो कम्युनिकेशन चल रहा है इस कमांड टास्क में GTO सर के साथ, ही वाज लाइक, ओके वसुधा प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट radar equation. I was like, sir, I don't know, sorry, but I don't know. I said it very calmly, very politely. And he asked me the same question 5 to 6 times. Literally, he asked me the same question, that please tell me the radar equation. And he actually banged his chair. जिन पे वो बैठे थे, he was banging his chair. Just tell me the radar equation. I was like, sorry, sir, I am not aware. I was taking that pressure. I was just taking that pressure in a very calm way. So, फिर last में क्या हुआ? He told me, okay, what is happening? I said, sir, blank हूँ. I'm totally blank about this thing. I'll definitely go ahead and I'll read about it. But right now, I don't have the adequate knowledge to tell you the radar equation. So then he understood my point. He understood that this girl is able to take the pressure. But at the same time, what he said, उनके जो, what he spoke was, अच्छा बच्चे आप क्या हो रहा है? बताओ, बच्चे. He called me as a बच्चा. That क्या हो रहा है? Why are you not able to speak on radar equation? I was like, sir नहीं हो रहा, नहीं पता चला. I'll get back to you for sure. So even if you guys think that this thing went wrong to you, maybe it has turned in another way to all of you. जैसे अगर तुम कहीं से तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू बर्बाद होके आ रहा है, तुम्हें लग रहा है कि वो बर्बाद है, मे बी इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर ने कोई वो क्वालिटी पकड़ी है जो बाकी बाकी कैंडिडेट्स में नहीं है, एंड मे बी he'll like you, he'll get you through the process, he'll recommend you. So the only thing in the SSB is to represent yourself in a very very calm way, as well as in a fun loving way. Be open to persons, be a team leader, be a team member, but also enjoy SSB. It's really fun to be in the SSB, and I hope, and I'm just hoping that all of you people out there don that uniform with a huge, huge smile on your face. And secondly, you give your services to India in the best possible way. We need you guys. So don that uniform as early as possible. Be be proud in what you have done till date. Be contented with yourself. Move ahead always. And yes, I'll be having a surprise for all of you guys. That uh, and that surprise is that I'll be surely taking up the morning classes on this platform, and we will be discussing a lot of things. We will be going for the written exams also. We will be examining the stepwise, or you can say the depth of each and every class, as well as we will be going for the SSB process in a very, very communicable way, in a very, very effective way, and a fun way. So I hope all of you are having a good day ahead. And yes, please stay in, please stay safe. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.